Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-end medium format photography with a detailed look at the Hasselblad 907X and CFV 100C. This combination represents a blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology, making it a unique choice for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. If you're curious about what makes this system stand out in a crowded market, stick around as we unpack its features, specifications, and how it performs in various scenarios. Let's start with the Hasselblad 907X, a compact and versatile camera body that pays homage to the classic V system, but with modern enhancements. The 907X is designed to be a modular, lightweight medium format camera that offers impressive flexibility. With its sleek, minimalist design, it's a departure from the bulkier, traditional medium format cameras, making it more portable while maintaining the robust build quality Hasselblad is known for. At the heart of this setup is the CFV 100C digital back. This back features a 100 megapixel CMOS sensor, which is noteworthy for its resolution and dynamic range. The sensor size is 53.4 by 40.0 millimeters, providing an expansive field of view that's ideal for capturing intricate details and achieving stunning image quality. This digital back also supports a 16-bit color depth, which translates to a broader color gamut and finer gradations in your images. One of the standout features of the CFV 100C is its rear LCD touchscreen. This 3.2-inch display is designed for ease of use, allowing you to navigate settings, review images, and adjust parameters intuitively. The touchscreen interface is responsive and user-friendly, making it easier to manage complex settings and workflows. In terms of ISO performance, the CFV 100C offers a native range of ISO 100 to ISO 12800, providing versatility across different lighting conditions. This range ensures that whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light environments, you'll be able to capture clear, detailed images with minimal noise. Another notable feature is the Hasselblad's unique color science. The 907X and CFV 100C are known for their exceptional color accuracy and tonal depth, which is critical for high-end commercial and artistic work. The system's ability to reproduce colors faithfully is particularly appreciated in fields like fashion photography and fine art. When it comes to connectivity, the CFV 100C supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless file transfers and remote shooting. This connectivity is complemented by the Hasselblad X system lenses, which are renowned for their optical quality and precision. The 907X is compatible with a range of XCD lenses, offering various focal lengths and apertures to suit different shooting needs. For those interested in video, it's worth noting that while the Hasselblad system is primarily designed for still photography, it does offer some video capabilities. The system supports video recording in a variety of resolutions, though it's not its main focus. And that's a wrap on our in-depth look at the Hasselblad 907X and CFV 100C. This system marries Hasselblad's storied heritage with modern digital advancements, creating a compelling option for serious photographers. Whether you're capturing high-resolution landscapes or detailed portraits, the 907X and CFV 100C are designed to deliver exceptional results. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews and tech insights. Drop any questions or thoughts you have about the Hasselblad 907X and CFV 100C in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this gear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.